Welcome to this guide. In this video we will go over how to install the Graph UI application onto an instance running Neo4j. The environment we are using for this video is completely within a controlled sandpit account, and we advise that you take the necessary industry standard security precautions when deploying to production. For the purpose of this guide, we have used the Neo4j Community Edition 4.3 AMI running on an EC2 instance. For guidance on how to set up the Neo4j infrastructure, please navigate to the link below to find more information on the variety of different deployment formats Neo4j allows. Please return to this guide once Neo4j has been deployed. Once the instance has been created and Neo4j has been set up, we need to create the directory and install the application and components. Firstly, we need to make the directory. We then need to navigate into the directory, and then we need to pull the pre-created zip file we have made for the purpose of this exercise. Now that's done, we need to unzip the file. Once unzipped, we need to navigate into the contents. Now that the components are now installed, we need to alter the Graph UI settings file to reflect the username and password used for the database authentication when setting up Neo4j, as well as change the protocol and DB type as seen in the configuration example. So we navigate to the settings folder, and then using whatever alteration program you use, we have to alter the Graph UI settings file. I will now make the necessary changes. Okay, these are the correct settings, and we now need to save the file. Once that is done, we need to navigate up into the main parent folder, and then we need to run our Docker load files for these files that have been unzipped. So Docker load web app, wait for that to complete. And now that is done, we need to load our other Docker file. Now that has been loaded, we need to run our final Docker compose up command. This will begin the build. And there we go. We have our server running at the address described here, and that is where the web app is located. Thank you for watching.